a tiny country in the south of Spain where they speak English. Some of you may know Gibraltar as the easy country to beat in European qualifiers, and others may have heard of the wild monkeys. Either way, we're gonna spend the next 12 hours in Gibraltar exploring this tiny country that's also a British territory. So we crossed over the border into Gibraltar, and it's just a guy who just quickly glanced at your passport. So it's a pretty quick border. We just bought the nature reserve ticket, which gives you access to basically everything on the Rock of Gibraltar. And we bought it at the Moorish Castle, which was the wrong decision. It takes us further away from the steps. So if you're coming here and you want to do the big hike, buy your tickets at Jews Gate, which is the other point where you can get the nature reserve pass. But now we're in the World War II tunnels. We had to get these helmets because things could fall on us. We walked by the Apes Den and no monkeys. We don't know where they are. We've been walking. We're almost at the Windsor Bridge now, all the way from Moorish Castle, just walking along the way. Haven't seen a single monkey. Finally, we've walked up to St. Michael's Cave, and here's our first sighting of the monkey. This cave has dated back to the Roman Empire, where people have been coming here since the Roman Empire. It is believed to have been a shrine that's dedicated to Hercules. That over there is supposed to be who the cave is named after. That is the angel of St. Michael, and if you can see, there's like one wing there, one wing there. That's the head. And this cave is also really cool inside. They have lights set up so it just keeps flickering, and it looks really nice.
There's also a light show that happens every 8 minutes that is all along the rocks here.
So we just came from St. Michael's Cave. Such a cool experience. The cave is one of the nicest spots here in the nature reserve. And to make it even better, most of the monkeys that we saw were all just right there. Went to the Skywalk, saw a bit more monkeys too, and you get this nice view all over the sea. So pretty much I would say if you want to see some monkeys, definitely just come to where the most people are gonna be. So like the St. Michael's Cave and the Skywalk, because I think they just go wherever they can get some food from people.
Also, don't smile because apparently they take that as aggression.
The monkeys that are here believed to be originated from northern Africa, and they're thought to have been brought here by the Moors who moved here and brought them over as pets. A lot of their habitat was decreasing in North Africa, also mainly Morocco. So some of them are kept here. Now they're home and native to Gibraltar as well. Everywhere we've been walking, the signage has been really bad. Definitely recommend using your map or the map they give you. You honestly just need to hope for the best. Now we're making our way down the Mediterranean Steps hike, and so far what we've seen, it's looked so beautiful. You get the view of the rock and the whole sea, and there's a bunch of palm trees all around. And also our knees are just killing already from the beginning. It hurts so much going down. The rocks here are very sharp and come from all edges, so definitely recommended to come here. Be a little bit more safe. Definitely don't wear sandals like some people we saw. Just finished the Mediterranean Steps hike. It was much harder than we expected. Just going down was very tiring, but here we are, finally made it down. It is really beautiful and definitely worth the hike up. I would definitely recommend starting with it. Shout out to all the Canadians watching this video. Fort Canada. Now we're here at the Europa Point, which is the southernmost point of Gibraltar. And you can just overlook the whole sea, and you can really see Africa and also that little part of Spain that's on the continent. Also here at the southern tip is a memorial to Władysław Sikorski, who's a Polish prime minister who died in a plane crash over Gibraltar. Now we got on the bus from the southern point here, bus number 2. It takes you from one side of Gibraltar to the other side. You can get both ways using this bus. It costs €2.40 or £1.80, depending on which one you want to pay in. And also Gibraltar has both currencies, both pounds and euros they use. So Gibraltar is the last British colony left in mainland Europe. It's funny because when you cross here, back in La Línea, which is the border town in Spain that borders Gibraltar, everyone speaks Spanish there. You have almost no one speaking English. And then right when you cross the border, majority of the people here all speak English.
This is the most sun that the British will ever see in their own country.
Now we're here near the ocean side and we're eating at one of the UK's popular restaurants called Wagamama's. We're here getting some ramen. And this is the Gibraltar National Stadium. So the biggest players come play here if they ever have World Cup qualifier or something. So you can see like Ronaldo, Lewandowski playing here. So now we're leaving Gibraltar and we're walking on the runway right now because that's how you walk over into Spain again. You have to walk over a live working runway. There's actually a plane right there. Looks like it's about to take off soon. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you can guess where we're going to next, other than Spain of course, then I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.